Hi everybody, today we will do some little pumpkin with orange that I don't know anything about because there are no label on it, sorry. And we put the counter to 0 and we will cast the machine, one in the front, one in the back for the first row, like this. There. Put that under the red. And I will put it here because I don't know what kind of yarn it is, and I noticed then when I have a thicker yarn it's getting better there. It's not drop like it's done when I put it there. The 2 or 3 first row will be noisy like this, and then we keep turning it for 30 row. I will turn it for 30 row. Oh, sorry. We are reached 13 row, 14, 15. $30, $31. Cut my yarn. Close the yarn feeder. Remove it from the machine, 1 stitch at a time. That aside, stretch the work. Oops. I will continue with the green. Cast the machine for a flat panel, 10 stitches wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one I put under, put in the feeder like this, and I will come back. When you got your yarn getting under, you turn and you come back just like this, and go down, you come back, down, you come back, down, you come back, down, you come back. You don't check the needle, not the needle, but the other crochet. Just check that your yarn getting back down like this, and you come back, down, you come back. For me, the easiest way to do the flat panel, and I don't touch the little setting on the side. I keep it on circular mode, and it's fine. And I will do 15 rows like this. That's all we need. With the little pumpkin, you could be very creative, because all pumpkin are not the same. They're all different. So let your let your creativity guide you. Down. Vous pouvez le laisser comme ça parce que c'est une citrouille. Sorry. You could leave it like this because it's a pumpkin. It's okay. Or you could decide to sew it like I do. I will pick in the middle of the V like this, 1 and 2. And I will keep that sand line all the way, and here I will get 1 and 2, same thing, to sew it. Done. Oops, sorry. To keep it in place, I will go and attach it 2 knots. It's here. I will put some stuffing around it. Just like this. And then we will close the top. You take 2 like this, skip 2, 2, skip 2. And then you close it, but you have to push it a little bit to make sure that you keep a little green. So you have your little pumpkin. Just have to hide the yarn now. There you go. You got your little pumpkin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.